Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Dandge and I belong to Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in 2022 in a stream of electrical engineering, and after the graduation I got stuck how to get a job in IT firms. So I get to know about Evision Technoserves. So I do a little bit of research on Evision. So I saw it was a great reviews on Evisions. So I joined the Evision in 2022 in August. So after the few months, I feel confident that I got a new skills and that I can work on it and get a job in IT firms. So finally, I got a job from the Quess Corporated Private Limited, which is in Pune, and the package I got is 2.4 CTC. And I really must say that if you wanna get a job in IT firms, so you must join the Evisions. They give us best trainings and the next technology related issues that we can resolve, and we can use. They are very useful in IT firms. So after the completion completion of the Evision Technoserve training, I got interview calls for many more companies, and finally I got selection in Quess Corporated Limited. And I really want to say thank you to the Evision, all the teacher faculties, and all the placement teams, and all the members that work for Evision. Thank you so much.